Hey, what's up everyone, it's Steph from Steph Lee Films. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to move from here to here to here to here to here and back to here using the ATEM Mini's picture-in-picture effect. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So the effect which I've just shown you earlier is called the picture-in-picture or PiP effect. And this is one of the most useful functions on the ATEM Mini switches. I personally use this function quite often when the client wants to present slides or slideshows or show text as the main view, while at the same time present a smaller version of the speaker still talking during the slideshow presentation. In this way, the viewers will have a nicer visual effect and not just slides and a voiceover, which is kind of boring. So for the purpose of my video today, I will call this smaller picture the smaller picture for easy reference. Another commonly used function of this picture-in-picture effect is gamers commenting on live games while they are playing the live game, such as one of the hottest games right now, Among Us, where the person playing the game will actually be inside the small picture while the main screen shows the game in progress. So in this way, you can see the gamer's reactions live as he is playing the game. There are also many ways to use this PiP effect, and today I will show you how simple it is to trigger this effect on your ATEM Mini switcher. First, you have to know that the small picture is always taken from source 1 as the default, meaning the small picture always takes in the visuals from source 1 or camera 1 or input 1, like this one. So say for example, you want a speaker to talk while showing slides. Your cam 1 or source 1 will be the one showing your guest speaker, and source 2 probably connected to another source, which is usually a laptop which can display the slides or PowerPoint slideshow. However, this setting can be changed by going to your ATEM software control panel. Under Switcher, click on Palettes, Upstream Key 1, DVE, and you can select your field source here. So you can see the default is set to Cam 1. So you can set it to Cam 1, Cam 2, or any other source that you prefer. In my example today, I have connected something similar, which is source 1 to the guest speaker and source 2 to my second laptop. So you can see when I'm displaying slides on the main screen, I can press the PiP button to display the speaker talking at any of the corners of the screen. So one good thing about this small picture is you can customize it by changing the size or the position of the small picture. So how do you do that? Under the same DVE tab on the ATEM software control panel, you can change the position of the small picture by changing the values of the X and Y axis, as well as changing the size of the small picture by changing their respective values as well. As for the other option, which I use pretty often as well, is border. You can decide if you want to show the border or make it invisible. You can change the thickness of the borders by changing the outer width values here. You can trial and error the rest of the options and test it out for yourself, but it's really up to you. But what I'm teaching you today here are mainly the more common changes I would make or suggest for clients to be used on their live streams. The buttons are located here on the console, and you can trigger this effect anytime by pressing the on button here. Then depending on where you want the small picture to appear, you can press on any of these 4 buttons, which is pretty self-explanatory for the 4 different corners on your screen. So there you have it, a very simple video to teach you how to trigger the picture-in-picture effect, as well as some simple steps to customize the size and position of the small picture to what you want. I hope it was easy for you. If you have your own ways where you have used this PiP or picture-in-picture effect for your own live streams or jobs, do leave them in the comments below, so we can all share what are the possible uses of this function. At the end of the day, this channel is all about sharing and providing information to every one of you. Before I end this video, I would like to say it really means a lot to me if you found any of the information I shared today useful, and if you can give this video a like. So it encourages me to continue making such videos for you. If you have any other comments or videos that you want me to work on, feel free to leave them in the comments below so I can work on my future video content to bring you something that you like. If you want to learn more about photography and videography on my channel, or learn simple tutorials where I teach you how to master the ATEM Mini, like this episode, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. And of course, do check out 2 of my other videos here when you can. And as always, if you have any questions, please let me know.